How's everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to reverse strings in Java. Here's a few examples. As you can see, I'm clearly a Dragon Ball fan, you know. Alright, here's our 4 steps to reversing strings in Java. Alright, first, make a string reverse the object. Have a string as a data field. Make a method that reverses the string into the data field, and then call on that method in the main method. Alright, now we're about to slide over to the actual code. Alright, so first, we're going to make our string reverser object. Next, we're going to have our data field. Now we're going to make our reverse string object. Now we're going to make a reverse string method. Oh, sorry. Alright, now we're going to call on our string reverser method. Alright, thank you for watching. Comment below if you want to request a certain video.